Question number 16. The function f is defined by f of x is equal to absolute value of x minus 4x. What value of a satisfies f of 5 minus f of a is equal to negative 15? So it's given that the function f is defined by f of x is equal to absolute value of x minus 4x, and it's also given that f of 5 minus f of a is equal to negative 15. So what we can first do, we can substitute 5 for x in the function f of x is equal to absolute value of x minus 4x. So what will happen? We will get f of 5 is equal to absolute value of 5 minus 4 times 5. And substituting a for x in the function f of x, so we will get f of a to be absolute value of a minus 4a. So now we substituted both the inputs. One input of 5 and the other input of a. Now, after we simplify the first one, f of 5, this will simplify to absolute value of 5 minus 4 times 5 is 20. So, we will get absolute value of negative 15, which is nothing but 15. That means f of 5 is equal to 15. We got one value, and after that, the second one also we can simplify. Absolute value inside the absolute value sign, a minus 4a is absolute value of minus 3a. And now we will substitute both of these values because we have to find what value of a satisfies this equation. So we will get 15 minus of absolute value of minus 3a is equal to negative 15. So f of 5 minus f of a is equal to negative 15. Now substituting the values we calculated, f of 5 was 15. 15 minus absolute value of negative 3a is equal to negative 15. And now since we are solving for a, we will perform some inverse operations to solve for a. So first subtract 15 on both sides. So we will have negative absolute value of negative 3a is equal to negative 30. Then divide both sides of this equation by negative 1. So we will have, this will get cancelled. Absolute value of negative 3a is equal to 30 because negative divided by negative is positive. By the absolute value definition, absolute value of minus 3a if it is equal to 30, to solve for 3a, we have to remove it from the absolute value sign. Or minus 3a is equal to negative 30. So for the first one, plus 30 when divided by negative 3, it will simplify to a is equal to negative 10. And the other one, when you divide by negative 3, because negative is getting divided by negative over here, a will be equal to 10. So either a will be equal to 10 or a will be equal to negative 10. Now we have to compare it to the answer choices. Of the answer choices, the value of a that satisfies is matching to answer choice C. So that's why answer choice C is correct. So what we had to do here was, we had to take the function f of x, calculate f of 5. Then substitute a also in the function, simplify it, perform some inverse operations, and then use the absolute value function. So when we solve, we are getting absolute value of negative 3a is equal to 30. Then we had to remove the absolute value sign and take both the positive 30 and the negative 30. Two solutions are possible. And when we simplify, either a is negative 10